Hi, welcome to Just Cook. Just wanted to do another one in our series of budget sort of light meals and snacks while we're on lockdown, and just to give you some more ideas for the kids, what they can do and help you with and have a bit of fun with, but also have it tasty. So I'm just doing some very simple turnovers. I've got fillings from the fridge, as I've been doing with some of our stuff. I've rolled out the pastry. I've got short crust pastry here. I've rolled it out sort of eighth of an inch thick. I've cut them out with just a little plate that we've got. You can decide how mini you want them or how big you want them. Then I've got here some chopped ham that was in the fridge, some baked beans and cheese all mixed together. So you can make any combo you like. I've got some tuna fish here that we've got, that again was in there from the sandwiches. And I've got a little bit of cheese to go on top of that as well. And I'm just going to make these up now. I'm going to fill them and show you just what to do. You probably know, but it's pretty straightforward. This is really just to give you some other ideas of what you're doing now. I've used bought-in short crust pastry. I keep it in the freezer just in case with the flour at the moment, so just to use it up. But you can make your own short crust pastry. It's pretty straightforward. The recipe will be on the website as always. So I'm going to do 4 baked bean and cheese for the moment, and then I'll do another. I'll do one more. Try and use all this mix up so we don't waste it. Obviously don't try not to overfill them if you want to get them in. Try not to make the mixture too wet, because that'll make it easier to fold. And then I've got tuna here, so I'll put a bit of tuna in the middle for each one. As I say, you can use, I made some the other day with pulled pork that we had left over, and I just bake them in the morning. Kids get up, they're doing their own work, they're quite handy to have come down if they want a drink and a snack. And these are great, or just do them for lunch. You know, it's all about using up what's in your fridge and trying to be as economical as possible in these days of lockdown and job wise. So just put a bit of cheese on all these, because cheese always makes it just that little bit more yummy, I think, and the kids love it. So the only other thing I've got some little bit of egg wash here. So we're just going to brush around these circles, each one, because that'll help seal it. And then we'll be egg washing the outside of them once we've folded them. So just quickly do that. And I'll show you, I'll do this one here. Push that in, so just push it back a little bit. Make sure you get a nice seal all the way around. And then if you want to, just because we've got 2 different fillings, you can mark these up. I'll just press that down and then pop that on the tray there. I'll show you another one, and then I'll do all these. So what we're going to do is, because we've rolled out the pastry, I've rolled it out a couple of times just to get as much out of it as possible. We're going to, once these are done and egg wash, we're going to put them in the fridge for a good half an hour to let the pastry relax a little bit. So I'll get these done and then we'll have a look at them. Okay, so as you can see, I've egg washed these. I've crimped them around the edge with a fork. And now, just because I've got 4 of the ham and baked beans and then 4 of the tuna, I'm just going to put a little pattern on the ones with the baked beans, just score them with a knife, just put a line down like that, and that one, that way I know once they're baked which one's which. And it's just an easy way. If you're doing 2 or 3 or few different fillings, it's up to you. So as you can see there, we've got them done nicely. Now these are going to go in the fridge. They need to rest for a good half an hour or more, and then we'll put them in the oven, bake them for about 20 minutes, 200 degrees, and they'll be a yummy nice little snack. Once I've cooked them, I'll show you the finished product. So that's them out of the oven, nicely baked, got a nice golden colour to the pastry, crisp. Enjoy these, they're very simple, very easy. Stay safe, and I'll have some more recipes for you over the coming weeks. Take care.